Hello, this is Nick with Nexus Property Management Worcester. Just coming today to show you this new apartment we have for rent at 7 Pope Street, Unit 3 in Spencer. This is a one-bedroom apartment on the 3rd floor, and I'm gonna walk around and try to give you the best idea of the size and the dimensions of this place that I can just from the video, and just kind of highlight some of the things that come along with this place. So this is a one-bedroom, and this is the living room over here. So you've got a back entrance that comes up a set of stairs from the right side driveway of the building. But parking for this unit is going to be on the left side of the unit, or left side of the building. And so this is a nice room. You got fresh paint going throughout and nice vinyl floors throughout the unit as well. This is probably big enough for maybe a sectional couch and an entertainment system. You've got several outlets throughout the room. And coming into the kitchen, it's a lot brighter in here due to the windows facing the sun setting right now. And there's plenty of things to go over in this room. So you've got the nice kind of rock / granite style countertops and stainless steel appliances. So you have a stainless steel fridge, stainless steel electric stove top / oven, and stainless steel sink bin. And we've also got a microwave here that just comes with the unit. You know, you got nice cabinets that are in really good shape. And you could, you know, in this space over here, you could definitely put like a dining room table. There's a closet in here that goes all the way behind this wall, down that way pretty much. Same thing with this closet here going down. I'd say all in all, it's probably in the mid to the high 10s in terms of square footage, just those two closets alone in terms of space. But it's also not as high as the ceilings are, although this closet has a higher ceiling than the living room closet. And you also have a spray nozzle with the sink and a small holder for like a sink towel. And it's pretty spacious in here. And once again, just to highlight the light that's coming through. Then you've got staircase that goes down to the, I guess, first floor common area entrance. And then you've got this bathroom here. So it's kind of a vertical bathroom. You look in, you got the shower. Shower's in really nice shape, fully deep cleaned as is everything else in the unit. Same thing over here. You've got the sink, toilet, and a nice, it's almost like a skylight ceiling, even though it's not actually a skylight, it's just a really high window. But those things are all nice. The gold accent on the sink. And you got baseboard heating going throughout. Check the listing for the fuel source on that. You got a carbon monoxide alarm. Then coming over here, this is the bedroom. So you got thermostat over here. And looking around, could say that it fits at least a queen size bed and a desk / dresser setup in here. And then coming over here, you can take a look at the closet. Closet's pretty spacious as well. It's almost got room for its own storage with the built-in shelves, and just a little room over here and closet rack on this side just to hang clothes. Plenty of good outlets in here too. And all in all, that is the video for 7 Pope Street, Unit 3 in Spencer. Please take a look at our website, nexuswor.com/vacancies for a full list of our available units. And there is an option to reach out to a listing agent to set up a showing. And once again, this is Nick from Nexus Property Management Worcester.